Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Making DIY primer saves money and seals porous surfaces before painting. This method creates a sealing coat to improve adhesion and coverage. It also reduces the number of finish coats you need after painting. Use this primer for interior plaster, drywall, and raw wood surfaces when a commercial product is unavailable. The simplest, reliable recipe uses PVA glue mixed with water to prime porous substrate safely. I will show materials, exact ratios, and application steps. Gather materials: 1 bottle of white PVA glue, clean water, and a mixing bucket. Measure and mix precisely using a 1-part PVA to 4 parts water ratio for reliable sealing. Combine volumes in a clean container and stir for 60 seconds until uniform and free of lumps. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh if any solids remain to ensure smooth application. Optional, add 1 tablespoon of white latex paint per quart to increase tint and opacity slightly. Apply the primer with a synthetic brush or medium nap roller for even coverage. Work in thin coats and cover the surface methodically from top to bottom. Allow each coat to dry for 60 minutes in moderate conditions before applying a second coat. After the second coat dries fully, sand lightly with 220 grit paper for a smooth painting surface. Clean tools with warm water immediately after use. Use ventilation and gloves while working and keep the mixture away from children and pets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.